Okay.
Miss! Miss!
I,
Miss!
bruh. Why? Good spot for a drop wig. Oh, that's where the drop wig is. He's in the water. Why is everything killing itself? I mean, I'm not complaining, but damn, the centipedes and now the spiders too. This is a bit much. Off he goes. Not very nutritious, but oh well. Whoa, okay. He doesn't like it when I eat neuron flies, I suppose. Let's eat another one. Oh,
This Greenway is a friend.
goodness.
Okay, guys,
Run!
I'm joining in.
Stop! You violated the law.
Why are you running?
Really? Really? Okay.
Making my way downtown.
What? What? Oh. Whoa. Jesus Christ, what? Am I lighter? I'm heavier. What do you mean, game? Well, I certainly enjoy Spearmaster's spears, that's for sure. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Okay. Really? Okay, game. What did I do to deserve that? Okay. Yes. Yes, he has food. You want him. Go get him. Yes. Shoot him.
Miss!
Not me! Oh, that's a karma flower, though. Thank goodness I don't need to go there to get it. Dumbass. Oh, you could get me with that one? There we go. Hi, I saved you.
Betrayal.
Saved you from that, spider. Oh. Yeah. You owed me. So, took what I thought you owed me. So, your life. I saved your life and you gave me your life. I think that's a fair trade.
Look at this dude.
Bro. What? The Barry defended him. He's too smart. Really? Okay. Oh, look at that guy. He's going even faster. Oh my gosh. What is this character? Oh my god. The hell are you? Oh my gosh. What the hell is that? How did I make that? Oh my gosh. Maybe this is where I die. This room is not meant to be flooded, I can tell. Oh, it's here. Sick. I'm sorry, but how did I manage to make that?
Get over here!
Fuck. No, 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 no. Yes. I escaped somehow.
Oh my God!
Okay, well. That can't be good. Thanks, Pebbles. What? Hello? Are you... It's stuck. It's stuck. Oh, no, I got it out. Okay, we're good. Okay, I just got so scared for a second. What? He's stuck. Okay, that works for me, I suppose.
Hello there.
I'm assuming you. I'm going too fast. You can't catch me. can't catch me. I can actually not. It would seem as though it couldn't catch me. There. Problem solved. Every single scab in the game is here. Look at them all. Oh my goodness. Hello. Why are you all here? Oh my goodness. Oh no. No, okay. Never mind. Non-issue. Oh good lord. What kind of shelter is this? This is a "Are you sure you want to be here" shelter. Come with me, Lantern Mouse. But he is scared for his life. Steamed mouse, my favorite. Ah, no, don't steam me too. There's more of them. Why are you all falling down? What is going on up there? Ah! Oh, I went too fast.